So the wood splitter has been working awesome, and I was splitting wood right along, making plenty of headway, when all of a sudden the old fan on the flywheel must have got brittle and shattered into a million pieces. So I ordered a new one on Amazon. Let's go ahead and replace that so we can get back to work. Go. It is surprising how much this fan actually moves. You wouldn't want to run this engine for more than 5 minutes. It starts getting really hot and starting to smell bad. So be on the safe side and make sure the fan's in good shape.